Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back on our tram ride. You're now off to visit Waterfall Aviary, the largest walk-in aviary in our park. To your left, the birds of prey. Here, you will find the majestic Philippine eagle, the tallest and one of the largest
Philippine
eagles
eagle.
in the world. Their talons are so strong they can lift a mountain off a tree. Besides their sharp talons, birds of prey are also
Oh,
known
that's
for
the
their
eagle.
superb eyesight and strong beaks. Catch other birds of prey in action at the Kings of the Sky show at 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. daily at the Hawk Arena. Get up close to the cheeky lorries at Lorry Rock on your right to have them eating right out of your hands. Purchase a cup of lorry feed. All proceeds go towards wildlife conservation in the region. Chill out at Bird Discovery Center and step into the fascinating world of birds. Did you know all modern day
Dinosaur
birds are
descendants.
descendants of dinosaurs? With their height and long legs, the birds you see on your left, the saddlebill, brown cranes, and flightless castleberries, certainly resemble the well-known dinosaur of all, the Tyrannosaurus rex.
Whoa!
To your right, Pelican Cove. Join us for Keeper's Chit Chat at 6 p.m. daily.
嚇？
We are now approaching a waterfall aviary. So bird watching in the aviary and try to spot magnificent birds like the hen. Participate in our competition to enjoy a close encounter with the springbills and their feathered friends.
From the station 3 may land arrive for the waterfall we stay ahead, thank you. come back we're heading to station 4 for safety remains to the attempts, thank you.
Be sure. Welcome back on board. We're now heading to Parrot Paradise, where you will meet some of the world's rarest pets, such as the hyacinth macaw from Brazil and the blue-throated macaw from Bolivia. From our side of the world, there are the red-tailed rat and seven-breasted cockatoos. Come learn about these threatened species and how we are helping to save parrots in the wild. Did you know parrots are highly intelligent and can mimic sounds? Catch them in action at the High Flyers Show at 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. at Pools and Theater.
From the station 4 may land arrive to Siam Unicorn Center Paradise, thank you. Welcome back, train station to station 1 for safety remain seated at all times. Thank you.
Welcome back on our tram ride. We are now heading back to tram station 1. Look to your right.
Wow.
These birds with huge beaks are pelicans. They use their large pouches to scoop fish and empty the water before swallowing their catch. Watch them in action during keeper's chit-chat at 2 p.m.
Wow, don't be funny.
Can you guess which bird has won the title for being the supermodel of the GoPro? That's right, it is the flamingo. The flamingo lake is home to nearly 10,000 greater flamingos. In the wild, flamingos live in large flocks of up to 10,000. The lodge overlooking Flamingo Lake can be booked for seminars, parties, and team building events.